soccer. Dear friends, we all know that science has given us a lot of things and technologies. Science is having a major influence on our daily life. India has an important role of contributing the scientific world, the Asian time. National Science Day celebrated in India on 28 February every year to mark the discovery of Raman effect. The great Indian physicist Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, popularly known as C.V. Raman, he was born on 7th November 1888 at Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Chandrasekhar Iyer. His mother's name was Parvati Amman. C.V. Raman was an intelligent and brilliant student at both school and college.
Today I am going to tell about our solar system. Our solar system contains sun, planets, asteroids and many comets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Pluto is the dwarf planet in our solar system. All the planets revolve around the sun. Earth is the only known planet where life exists. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth.
I am talking about water cycle. Water cycle is the continuous journey water takes from the sea to the sky to the land and back to the sea. There are 4 main parts in the water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation and correction. Evaporation. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in river or lake or the sea and turns it into vapor or steam and rises up in the sky. Condensation. Condensation. When the water vapor cool down, they turn into liquid scattering. Precipitation. Precipitation takes place when the water vapor condenses. They turn into tiny water drops which fall from the sky in the form of rain, snow, or hail. Collection. The water falling from the sky in different bodies like oceans, seas, rivers, ponds, streams, lakes. The water cycle evaporates and the cycle continues. Thank you.
I am going to talk about digestive system. The process of digestive system starts placed mouth, salivary glands, esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. When the food goes to inside the mouth, the teeth will chew into small pieces with the help of saliva. Salivary glands secrete saliva. The food goes to esophagus. Esophagus is also known as food pipe. The food goes to stomach. Inside the stomach, there is a gastric juice, HCl, mucus. Liver produces bile juice. Gallbladder stores bile juice. Pancreas excretes pancreatic juice. The both juice mixture comes to the small intestine. Inside the small intestine, there is a finger-like projection. It's called as villi. The food goes to large intestine. The water will be absorbed and it comes to rectum. And waste is thrown out to the anus. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Akshara.
My name is Hanihi.
Today we are going to tell about sources of water. There are 2 sources of water: surface water and groundwater. Surface water. Surface water means it's found in the surface. For example, pond, sea, river, etc. Groundwater. Groundwater means it's found in the ground. For example, well, hand pump.
Rain is the main source of water. We get drinking water from that. Plants, animals also need water. We should not waste water.
Save water, save lives. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Heart is a muscular organ. The adult heart weighs about 300 to 350 grams and the newborn heart weighs about 20 grams. Heart has 4 chambers. They are right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and the left ventricle. Right atrium and the right ventricle are called the right chambers. Left atrium and the left ventricle are called the left chambers. The right chambers carry the deoxygenated blood and the left chambers carry the oxygenated blood.
Carries the oxygenated blood to kidney and the pipe which is in blue color carries the deoxygenated
blood to the vena cava and then to our whole body. Now this is known as renal artery and this is known as renal vein. Renal means kidney, so we can tell it as kidney artery and kidney vein. Now we know that the blood is flowing throughout our body. What is its function? When blood is flowing throughout our body, it carries all the waste materials in it and the waste materials get dissolved in it. And that blood reaches to renal artery, so that blood is also known as dirty blood. So the dirty blood which is oxygenated goes inside the kidney, and since there are capillaries inside the kidney, it gets diffused and settled there. At the same time, the waste also gets settled here, and then the deoxygenated blood goes to renal vein and then to vena cava and then to our whole body. Now what happens to the waste present here? The solid waste come out in the form of fecus from our digestive system, and what happens to the liquid waste present here? So when the liquid waste is present here, it goes inside this tube-like structure known as ureters, and this ureters carry it to the bag-like structure urinary bladder, and urinary bladder is controlled by a nervous system, and the main part of nervous system is brain. So when this urinary bladder gets filled, the brain messages that now you're filled, you have to come out from the small opening urethra. And have you ever wondered that if this urinary bladder is not there, where will our urine store? So urine will not at all store, will be passing our urine throughout our day, often and often, and which is not at all a desirable condition for humans. So these were the functions of urinary system. Now my friend is going to explain about kidney.
The pair of bean-shaped kidney receives around 25% of blood pumped by the heart because it filters blood employing small filtration nephrons to remove the toxic waste. Inside the kidney, the outer deep red part named cortex is rich in blood capillaries and blood is filtered by nephron's Bomax capsule inside the cortex.
And the nephron is present inside the cortex.
The inner part, the medulla, is pale, and this pyramid, like renal pyramid, has bulk nephron tubules which carry the filtrate liquid. After the reabsorption of essential materials, the liquid that reaches the renal pelvis is urine. Ureter carry it to bladder until the person urinates. Our kidney processes around 180 liters of blood per day.
About the respiratory system. Through this nose, the air enters in and it goes to the larynx, again it comes to the voice cord, and again it comes to the trachea and it gets filtered. Through this pharynx, it goes to the bronchus, and this is the thread-like structures which is called as bronchus, and it goes to the alveoli. Again the oxygen gets separated and it goes to the heart. Heart is the only organ which pumps the blood. Then it's distributed to all the parts of the body.